talk to me.
I don't know, man. I'm just not sitting with the M81 with the Digifloor. This is just like that's like wearing Crips colors and then blood colors at the same time, bro. What side do you want, buddy?
Yes.
Which?
Now on
If we run bomb, I'm just gonna run in there with my multi-pistol 48. Riz 2, handguard.
Riz 3 is better.
And I can't own it. Look what my helmet bob does.
Boom! 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 Boom!
The way you grip it.
A dog.
Well, you look like really young, right? Right? What? Like? Thanks.
Stop. What? Bitch.
This is so fucking stupid, I want it.
I can give you both of these for this.
2 guns for 2 guns.
fair trade.
Yeah.
500 American planes up there.
Huh?
That's cute.
Thank you.
Is that the SEMA one? It takes so long to run.
You should like insert photo of my cop car with the light bar on right now. Just insert it. Just insert it right now in the edits. just throw one in a Reese. And right now, just kind of throw a bunch of stupid shit on the screen. Blow him up. Make it do like a front flip. Make the edit like just kind of rotate.
Okay.
Another photo of Reese. Another photo of my cop car, all with the Vine boom sound effect.
Okay.
What's your shoe? I love that.
Give me an AK mag, dingus.
And then we come over to the...
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Jace unbuckled me. I feel violated.
You want to get violated even
What?
more?
Check this out. Watch the power I have. And then like put a bunch of like sound effects. Edit that in now.
Oh.
Have a jump scare of Helen Keller or something. It's
Just for fun. Right, you're not running the bipod down?
Fuck no.
What? It looks so much cooler.
It barely stays. It barely stays up.
All right, boys. I'm the one with the gas mask.
Yeah, you're playing Capone's part for us.
You can't play our game.
Why not?
You missed it.
Yeah. Failed.
But can I pay to be your guys' friend?
Bad idea.
I would let the COD lobby come out.
Oh god.
Come on up. Get it nice and tight like a tiger. Last time I did karaoke, I forget what it was, but I know it was Beastie Boys, and I know it wasn't. Nope.
Is this thing on?
It sure is. Moist in it.
Oh, it's in it.
And it is the best.
In it. Oh my.
Do you know what it stands for?
No.
It's my height.
You can just round up at that point.
If I come up to him, I have my back. His back is to me. That is a bang bang. He is. That is also a bang bang. Unless the barrel each other is a bang bang. One bang bang.
Bang bang.
How many bang bangs does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop?
Call me a U.S. infantry soldier during the invasion of Sword Beach the way I'd be wetting my pants right now.
Look at you, Houston. So inspirational. I want to be like Houston when I grow up.
You could have set the bar so much.
You're going to have to sneak over here, though, because you're like all tan, dude. Whoa, is that a Groza? Whoa, I've never seen one of these in real life.
9 mags.
Yeah, dude, this is so cool. I never thought I'd see one of these in person.
Breathing at the crocodile.
I don't really kill people. I just suppress a fire.
Yeah.
It's easier that way. You don't have to. You don't have to worry about being. You don't have to worry about being shit at the game.
Yeah, well, you don't have to. Oh, we're touching.
Touched it. Touch. I'm gonna stand in the middle and make my own team.
Be Switzerland, the neutral country.
Yeah. What team are we? Green, blue, or fucking
green,
blue, yellow?
Yeah, we're green.
I got you.
I put my grippy thing like
Put
this.
my mouth on. Yeah.
What are you checking me out?
Yeah. You cute. See? Oh, go. You got a sloth squat.
Fine, that's fine.
You know something crazy?
What?
I have no ammo in my magazines.
What the fuck are you doing? You're just gonna walk up there and dry fire and scare
I'm
him.
just gonna dry fire the whole time. I
Flipped it and flooded his engine with his
Oh, it's a little muddy. Dude, I'm gonna shit my pants. Get your hop up.
Get your hop up, you're up. Number 20. Oh, I forgot.
No, wait.
What's he saying?
Hello, Rooster.
What's up?
You need to join our server again and play the drawing game with us.
No. What? What? What am I? What are you?
Oh, I see. Hard.
English, please.
It's the gas mask. You can't understand shit he's saying. You're so funny.
I got this.
No, first.
Mentally, physically, and English.
I'm also.
Oh shit! Hit!
No.
Okay. No!
I did too.
Peek! Peek again! Peek again! Do it! Sometimes I just come back here and I sit and I talk to people. Oh.
Yeah.
Back, please. I'm out of it now.
No! No! Wrong hole!
God damn. We mean the world for that fucking hill, I'm telling you.
Yeah, how a true German would do it.
Oh, boys, there's nothing left to it.
Well, boys.
Oh!
Yeah, hey, by the way,
Nice
metal
ring,
helmets rings.
Where are you?
Boy.
What'd that do? Uh-oh. Oh, no!
No.
Ew, why are you bouncing like that? It's so...
Hi there.
No.
No recoil.
Taking it apart.
No!
Taking the entire thing apart.
No!
And you know what? No dust cover.
Nick!
Oh my god.
There we go. Uh-oh. This just fucking explodes. Okay. Alright, what the fuck are you doing? Dude, you're fucking, you're...
That thing's gonna take off down.
Yeah. I love your
Look at
face.
this dumbass selling all this shit.
I am selling all of my shit. Thank you, player. Absolute. Oh my god. You look excited. Wait, oh god, oh god. Josh. Did George come down?
What, you want to make out? I don't know that.
Dude, I will put my fucking in your Promise? Promise?